Alright, Liam likes ribs. Oh, pork ribs. Right, the meat's falling out the bones. Is that good? Yeah.
I hate the way they make fingers.
That's finger licking good. Nope.
He's coming to you.
Finger licking good.
I know the way he licks it. He licked one, then licked another one.
Yeah. Oh. You want me to pick you up with your dirty hands and dirty mouth? Oh my God, look, don't touch my pants. Don't touch my pants with your greasy fingers. Oh, Liam.
Well, huh? Tastes good.
Oh, Liam. Likes the ribs. He's wiping his hands out on my pants. Check this out. The meat comes off the bone. Oh, he's wiping his hands on my shirt now. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, go see Papa. You can wipe your hands on her pants. Okay, Liam. Had a big day today. Watch a lot of ABC. Hey? A, B, C, D. Oh, look at those. Eating those ribs.
That's a big piece, huh?
Those are finger licking good. Oh.
Okay.
Back to the table. Love those ribs.
Several stories revolve around information or documents obtained exclusively by CNN. The materials presented with compelling clarity, vivid production values, and rock-solid documentation. These stories provide a vital narrative and understanding as they unfold over time in every way: reporting, writing, presentation, and production. These stories contribute.
All right, then. Look at him work that mouth, chewing up all the meat. All right. Oh, love those bones. Love those bones.
Started to realize that there was a problem with the website and sort of the rollout of it, and then we followed it over a couple of months. So I think one of the really cool things
Look at this smile.
the effort that we did, which took a team of people, I will tell you,
It's good, right?
that we were following something that was so important
Yes,
to the Obama presidency. This is what he will really be
Finger licking good.
when it comes to his legacy. Such an honor.
All right, Liam. We got more. Look, we have a whole new, another little slab with 6 more. Or 5 more ribs.
Wrapping his hand.
Did a good job, Liam.
You want that picture?
What, you want some more? Is there meat left on those?
It is really fun at such a big event like this. And I think back to high school when I was covering
Is still on meat?
as a high school sports reporter. And
Oh my God, he already had eaten dinner. That's his second dinner.
Yeah, there are two bowls of
Macaroni and cheese.
macaroni and cheese.
about it, and I really am honored.
Don't speak that first. Mouthful.
Yeah, he's got a cold. Nose has been running all day.
You made me do that.
Liam.
I know, but it's a rush.
Bye-bye.
Baba.
Okay, germ carrier. You gave your dad the cold. I got a cold too. I got a cough. Nose is running a little bit. Da, da, da. A, B, C, D.
姐姐是吧？姐姐。哒哒哒。Olivia. 哒哒哒。No, no, no.
The biggest surprise was a few years ago seeing, a couple hundred people watch nutrition. Find out the results. I guess
Okay, Liam.
it was an easy way to get it.
You on the phone? He's talking on the phone.
Così fa. Da da. No?